Hey, how's it going? So, not sure if you caught my last video, but I've got a new comic on the way. It's called Faceless in the Family, and I'm going to be crowdfunding it. So it's a black and white 5-chapter graphic novel, and I'm going to be doing it with Zoop, Z-O-O-P, and the pre-launch page is actually live right now. So all you have to do, if you want to be notified when the campaign is live, I'm gonna have the link in the description of this video, or maybe I'll have it on the screen. I don't know if I know how to do that. I'll see if I can figure it out, but yeah, it's definitely in the description. All you have to do, just put in your email and you'll be notified when it's live. And basically the first 100 people who sign up, they're gonna be entered into a raffle to win a free sketch of the main character from the comic, Faceless. And 3 people are gonna win. So I'm gonna do 3 sketches, and out of the first 100 people, you'll be entered to win that. Also, you're gonna wanna sign up because there's gonna be early bird rewards that only the first, the people who sign up, they're going to be able to get those, but after that you won't be able to. So that's another reason. You may not know what Zoop is. Basically, they're a newer crowdfunding platform, but they're great because I've thought about doing crowdfunding in the past, but the biggest hurdle has always been, there's this whole other mountain of work to do outside of the book itself, which is, shipping and finding the right printer, and, you need an area to hold a pallet full of comics, and it just seems like a nightmare. But Zoop handles all of that for you, so that's why I'm going with them. They're great for artists like me, so I can just keep drawing, and they run the campaign and all that, so that's a whole other job in itself, and they just handle all that. So that's mostly it. I'm gonna be launching, I'm not gonna give the exact day, but sometime next month. But like I said, you can sign up now, just letting you know about it. Maybe you can't afford the book, I totally understand, but maybe you can help me spread the word. Without a publisher, it's just me doing this, and I could use any type of help I can get. So really appreciate all the support. Anyone who signed up, thank you for that. Any other questions, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. That's pretty much everything for now, so I'll stop wasting your time, and thanks for watching.